Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. This leader bike, sport tourer, just arrived with only 20,000 miles. Beautiful condition, frame sliders, smoke windscreen. This one's got an adjustable 3-position windscreen. Price to sell for just $63.99. It's got fuel injection, inline 4-cylinder, liquid cooled. Beautiful condition. Come on by and make this Ninja 1000 your bike. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.